Alright, to organize files that you have on your OneDrive account, these are the steps. First, launch a web browser. Here I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. Visit OneDrive.com and log into your account. Alright, here I'm logged into OneDrive account of mine and I'm landed on the Home tab. To start with the file organization, click on My Files. Note before I continue, if I click on this, you will see this list will not be named again. You will just be seeing icon. Let's do it. So once you log in and you find yourself maybe on this page with all these icons just showing, please click on this arrow for you to see what each of the icons stand for. All right. So you can see here I have home, I have my files, I have share, I have recycle bin. So click on this my files. Okay. That's what we list all the files and folders that's already created here. But if you are accessing OneDrive account for the first time, you will not see any folder here except this particular folder called personal vault, which requires extra level of security for you to, you know, get into. All right. So we assume that you have files scattered here and you want to arrange them. So there are different types of files I have here. I have Excel, I have I have documents, I have uh, PNG, which is pictures, and I have PP, PowerPoint. Okay, so these are the major types of files I have here. So I want to organize them by creating different folders. So let's start. I'll click on this create or upload. Okay, this provides some options. I'll select folder. All right, this open this page. So let me call these documents. I want to have all my documents file inside this folder, all my document files. So I'll call it documents. So after that, click on create. All right. So I've created a new folder and I believe it should be at the top part. Okay, look at it here. So I want to copy all these document files and put them inside that folder. So let's do that together. So take your cursor to each of the files. You see this checkbox will show up. All right. Once this first one is selected, press and hold on the control key of your computer keyboard and start clicking on others. Okay. Please go. I don't need this. Okay. Got it. It's okay. All right. This pop-up does not want to go. So no problem. Let's keep doing what we're doing. So let's keep selecting the documents. Press on the control key. Then I'll select this one. I'll select this one. I'll select this one. So you keep on clicking until you select all the documents. Okay, the pop-up has gone. Okay, so I have selected all the document files here. Now, the next step to take here is to click on Move To. All right, Move To. On clicking on Move To, this will display some folders you have on your account. And look at the one we created now, which is the document. I'll click on these documents. Okay, it has opened fully. I'll click on Move Here. All right, so it's moving its items. Okay, and you can see all these document files have now been moved. Okay, except this one that I did not copy, I did not move, but let's just leave it. All right, so at least you have understood how to organize your files. So let's now get to the second type of file, which is Excel spreadsheets. So first I will create a folder, click on create or upload, select folder, and let's call this spreadsheet files or just spreadsheet. Okay, and now click on create. Okay, now that a new folder has been created, known spreadsheet, let's now select the spreadsheet files. First, take your cursor to one of the items and this checkbox section will show. Click there. Then press and hold on the control key of your computer keyboard and keep selecting all the spreadsheet files. All right, don't mind this pop-up. Let it keep being there. Okay, I've selected all. That's okay, remaining this. Okay, then I'll press and hold on the control key again, select this. All right, so I've selected these ones. Then I will click on moved again. So this will display some folders here. And then I will get to spreadsheet and click on it. Look at our spreadsheet here. So I'll click on it and select move here. So these files, the spreadsheet files have now been moved into this new folder. All right. So this is how you organize your files. Because of time, let me stop here. So if you want to organize pictures, as I did before, create a folder, select the pictures, move them there. All right. If you want to organize maybe PPT, PowerPoint, just create a folder, select the PPT file, and move. Okay? It's as simple as that, and you're good. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.